I'm learning that I am a corporation now. In the beginning, I was just a creator. Then I went to being a CEO, and now I'm a corporation. And I need to act like a corporation.
When did you figure that out?
Yeah, Teri, you mentioned team, so I definitely want to dive into that piece because I think, every business scales with good people. You need a team, and that's an important aspect of it. Of course, we work with Brother Sean, who helped us coordinate this too, so that was great. So tell us about, now stepping into not just being a creator and the main teacher or coach on a program, but we've talked about the business part, but now you're trying to hire people. You're looking for the right people, and you're looking to put teams and things in place. Talk to us about that a little bit. Like, what have you learned along the way, or what are some things that you use to make sure that you just got the right people in the right places?
Yeah, I'm going to speak from a CEO of a $300 million company, right? Perspective, and then tell creators that are trying to get there, how do you do it? So in the beginning, when it's just you got to know everything. And I encourage you to know everything. One of my friends, she was like, well, I'm only going to focus on the things that I do well. I'm like, girl, it's just you right now. You do everything well because you got to do it all. Know everything first. Then as you start building, I encourage when you're that mid-level, start looking at agencies. You don't have to hire everything in-house. Agencies are great. Like social media agencies, shout out to Sean with School's Over Now What? That's who you were talking about before, Moose, and Drew from Build Your Own Brand, or the O agency. Like, they are the ones who actually helped put together the podcast you all were talking about, The Power of 1 Million. They're an agency, but they come into my team and they treat it like it's their own. So love them to death.
Nice.
So the mid-level, I would say, I would encourage people, use agencies that know how to do their thing, because that'll give you as a CEO more time to breathe, because those agencies are experts. But then I would say when you get to the higher levels, it's time to start bringing people in-house. And I just shout out to our girl, Connie Falls. Like, I was just talking to Connie earlier today about systems and people. And we now have to hire 37 people. And then we just added some more folks. It's going to be like 43 people to really make this system run smoothly. But I think now is the time where it needs to be in-house.
That's good. Ooh, 40, 30, some people. All right, you got that.
30, 40.
30, 40. All right.
Real quick, I was just going to say, the thing about it is that I'm learning that I am a corporation now. In the beginning, I was just a creator. Then I went to being a CEO, and now I'm a corporation. And I need to act like a corporation.
When did you figure that out?
Probably like a month ago. It's been recent.
Okay.
It's been recent.
Okay.
But I've been thinking about it because, of course, y'all know I'm a trader. So I'm always looking at companies and evaluating companies. And now I'm realizing, Teri, you're a company. Like, your trade and travel business is a school. It is a full corporation. So we got to act like that. We got to act like, how is our revenue coming? What do our expenses look like? What do our people look like? What is HR? What is our forecast for the 5 years from now? Like, that's what we're talking about. It's no longer just Teri makes millions. It's our team and our corporation makes millions.
Talk that talk.